everyone, welcome to this tutorial. If you're looking to create custom products with stunning designs and get them printed and shipped, this video will be very helpful to you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva with Printify step by step. We'll start with a quick intro to both platforms, then move into designing on Canva, syncing with Printify, and finally setting up a product that's ready to sell. But first off, what is Printify? Printify is a print-on-demand platform. That means you create a design, choose a product like a t-shirt, mug, or tote bag, and Printify takes care of the printing and shipping once a customer places an order. They work with a network of print providers around the world, so you don't need to invest in equipment or hold inventory. You just design, set your price, and they handle the rest. You can even connect Printify to online stores like Shopify, Etsy, or even TikTok Shop, and everything runs automatically once a sale comes in. So that's how Printify works. Then how about Canva? Canva is a design tool that makes it super easy to create professional looking graphics, even if you're not a designer. You can use it to create t-shirt art, mug designs, sticker layouts, and more with tons of templates and drag and drop tools. The best part? Canva makes it easy to create beautiful designs. Printify turns those designs into real products and delivers them to your customers. Together, they're a powerful combo for launching your own merch line, gift shop, or creative side hustle without the headache. So we're going to start here on Canva. So if you already have an account, you can simply just log in. But if you don't, you can simply sign up. It's pretty easy. So you can either continue with Google, Facebook, or you can just type in your preferred email address. Alright, so once you log into Canva or sign up, this is your main dashboard. It's super clean and very easy to navigate. Here at the top, you see a search bar where you can find templates, elements, and inspiration. And over on the left, you've got create, home, project, templates, and you've even got your brand kit and all of that. Since we're working with Printify and our aim is to create t-shirts, we'll just go straight here and click on t-shirt. Once you click on t-shirt, you'll be taken to Canva's t-shirt editor, and here you can see that we've got a clean blank canvas in the center. This is where we'll be creating our design. Over here on the left, Canva has tons of ready-made templates you can explore. Some of them are really stylish and might give you great inspiration, so just pick something you'd like. And you can even get creative with your t-shirt by searching for different themes in the search bar here. For example, if you type in something like teddy bear, so here you can see some different ones you could choose from. You could even search for maybe floral patterns, go for background. So here are some nice designs. Yeah, so you could easily just search for something here in the search bar. But let's go with a teddy bear for this design. Let's choose one from here. All right, this one here looks pretty cool. So let's just choose it. Then you can even add another design. Just click on add page. We can select something else for this design. Now let's go for something with flowers. So you can easily just come here, just search for a theme. So you've got tons of templates, so you can easily just choose one. Okay, now that's for using templates. Now if you'd like to design something from scratch, you could still do that. Just add another page and then you can get creative. You've got your tools here, you've got your elements, text, and then even your brand kit. You can even add pictures you've already uploaded. Let's find a nice design for this blank canvas. So you can go to elements. We can search for flowers. Let's see, you've got some options here. All right, so we've got this right here. Now let's see if we can add like a border or something. Let's search for a shape like a circle outline or something. Okay, circle outline. We wouldn't want the borders to be too thick. So let's go with something thin. We can go with this one. All right, now let's just make sure the flowers are inside the border. Great, so now we've got this. Let's try to add some text. You can come here, click on text. So here you already have some nice, let's call them templates so you could use. Yeah, so you could just find something that matches the color of your design because you can't change the colors. So okay, let's try this one. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Now we've created a design from scratch, so you can just play around with the designs and just find something that you'd really like. Now that we're done designing, if we'd like to save the designs, you could just come to the top right corner, click on share, and then select download. Alright, so we actually want this in the PNG format. So we're going to go with PNG. Alright, we want all 3 pages. So we're just going to click on download. Now that we've successfully created our designs on Canva, it's time to head over to printify.com. So you can either log in or sign up if you don't have an account already. So while creating your Printify account, you're going to be asked a couple of questions. So you can just select the one that suits your needs. Let's go with this one. What best describes you? So there are lots of options here, so just choose one. Okay. Yeah, so we can just go with individual. All right, now we're officially inside the Printify dashboard. Yeah, so you'll get here once you answer a couple of questions. Yeah, so from here you can manage everything related to your print-on-demand business. Yeah, this is where it all happens. You'll be able to create products, connect your store, track orders, and work with print providers around the world, all in one place. For this tutorial, we'll mainly be focusing on My Products section, where you upload your Canva designs to Printify and turn them into custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, and the rest. You can also browse the catalog to see a full list of products you can customize. They've got thousands of options from apparel to accessories and home decor. And later on, if you connect to a store like Etsy or Shopify, everything you create here can be published directly to your storefront, ready for your customers to buy. Now, before I bring my design into Printify, I want to make sure it looks super clean and professional, especially if there's any background that I don't want printed on the shirt. To do that, I'm going to use a free tool called remove.bg. So I'm just going to go to that website. So it's really simple. It removes the background from any image in just a few seconds. So I'll just upload my design here, or I could just drag and drop it here. So let's drag and drop our designs here. First, let's go with this one. Just drag and drop it. Yeah, so it just instantly removes the background, and once you're done, you can just download it for free. It gets downloaded. You can do the same for the rest of your designs. All right, now that we've got rid of our background, now we're going to head over to catalog. Just click on it and then select t-shirt. All right, so let's go with this one. Now we'll select start designing. Now we're inside Printify's t-shirt editor, and there are a few tools here that make designing really simple. This is where I'll be uploading the design I made in Canva. Then let's add text. Here this lets you type out custom text. So first we've got the upload tab. This is where I'll be uploading the design I made in Canva. And then you've got library. This is where all your previous uploads will be stored. And so once you've saved the file, it's just saved here for later. Then you've got graphics and my templates. This is for saving designs you want to reuse across other products. All right. To get our designs, we'll just click on upload and go to my device. So after doing that, you just go to where the pictures are saved. You could just click on open, and then it just automatically appears here. You can adjust the size, you can make it bigger, just use these features here. Alright, so right here there's a feature that lets you select variants. So you can just click on it. You've got spot gray, ice gray, heather military, and the rest. So it all depends on which you like. Let's just go with white. White looks really nice, so let's just go with white. And dark heather gray looks nice too. So let's go with those two. So once you're satisfied with your design, you can simply click on Save Product. So this is what it's going to look like. Looks nice, doesn't it? So next thing you want to do is click on Connect Your Store and Publish. So here you can just go beginner friendly, but of course you can select the store you'd like to use. But for this tutorial, let's go with Etsy. Now, before you publish it in your store, you can just come to products right here. Just click on products and then edit the description. To do that, you're going to have to click on the product. Now this is where you edit the details of your product. So here you've got listing details, you've got the title. If you want to make this shorter, you can do that. Then you've got your description. If you want to edit this, you can simply just come here and edit it. Then down here is where you've got the pricing. You can edit the price. You've got the different sizes right here. Now if you want to edit the price, you can click on here, click on it. You can edit the price here. And once you're done, just click on apply. And click on publish if you'd like to publish it now, or you could just save it as a draft if you'd like to do that later. Yeah, so you can just come down here and connect your preferred store, and once you're done, you publish it. Alright then, that's how to use Canva with Printify. Thank you for watching.